In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of inability to export shapefile. If you are trying to export your shapefile and it's giving you error message, I'll show you the cause and I'll also show you the solution. So let's get started. So here I have this polygon. So if I want to export it as a shapefile, how do I do it? For example, the normal way of doing it, come to that layer, right click and come to data, then click on export data. So here we are exporting the whole features, all the feature. Specify the folder where you want to save your shapefile. So I'll click here, then I will navigate to the folder where I want to save it. For example, I want to save it here. So I'll give it a name. Let's just say example. So I've given it a name, then I'll click on save. Yes, you can see the error message. Error saving object. An error occur trying to save the object name example. So if you are having this error message, I'll show you the reason and also how to solve it. So let me click on OK. Now the reason is this: you are trying to export a shapefile to a shapefile, and here you didn't specify it that it is a shapefile. If you look at save as type, you can see file and personal geodatabase feature class. So that is why the export process is failing or giving you error message. So to solve it, you have to change this place to shapefile. Click on the drop down and you can see shapefile here. So change it to shapefile. Then give it appropriate name. You can see it has added the extension .shapefile. Then click on save. You can see that it saved successfully. Then you can click on OK to export it. It has been exported. So do you want to add the exported data to the map as a layer? Let me click on yes to show you. Click yes. You can see it has been added. This is it, example. So if you are trying to export a shapefile and it's giving you error message, this is the reason and this is how to solve it. Thank you for watching.